What is one thing banks don't want you to know? Let's talk about this. Hi, I'm Marika Galawan, your life and wealth coach since 2014. So, what is one thing that banks don't want you to know? So when it comes to loaning from a bank, could be a car loan, house loan, the bank will require you a MRI. It's called Mortgage Redemption Insurance. And you are required to get an insurance from the bank. What they don't want you to know is that you can get it from a third-party insurance. You can get it from another insurance company and get your own insurance and make the bank your beneficiary. Why? So, when it comes to loans, the banks also wants to ensure that you can pay it off. So, they require it that if in case, during the loan duration, if anything happens to you like death, the bank would still be able to get from this mortgage redemption insurance. That's why you can actually get this from another insurance company. Follow me on my next video.